Hey there everyone, it's Joel Archer here from Ascension Finance. I just wanted to shoot this quick video as no doubt you've heard today that the Reserve Bank have increased the official cash rate. This has been on the cards for a little while now and the RBA have decided to finally pull the trigger and increase interest rates. So no doubt your bank is going to pass that on to you if you are on a variable interest rate. It's pretty much a guarantee that they are going to do this. They have been passing on any of the rate cuts that have happened previously, so no doubt they will be passing this on in full, and I'm sure you'll be hearing in the media over the course of the next few days of that happening with the major banks, but even the smaller banks will do it as well. It probably just won't get as much media attention. A couple of things that I wanted to alert you to though is that just because your bank has increased your interest rate doesn't mean all of a sudden that you should go shopping around and try and find a better interest rate, because all lenders will have increased their interest rate. So we're kind of on that level playing field. It does mean that if your rate's gone up, your monthly repayment will also increase. But the good news for you is that at Ascension Finance, we do a review of your home loan every 6 months. If you're on a variable interest rate, we contact your lender, we understand or get an indication of what your current rate is. We'll then negotiate with them to see if they can sharpen their pencil and reduce that rate at all, and quite often they will. Sometimes if it's already a competitive rate, it'll stay where it is, but we're also doing that comparison with other rates in the market just to see if there is a viable reason for you to refinance your home loan. There's never really a point in refinancing if you're only going to save 0.1, 0.2%, because the costs associated with that refinance generally outweigh the benefit or the saving that you're going to get from that new rate on the new loan. So the only time it really becomes beneficial to refinance for that small change is if you're wanting to do something like access some equity to do renovations around your home, debt consolidation, looking at restructuring so you can buy an investment property, all those sorts of things. So rest assured, your rate is still going to be a good rate, even though we've seen an interest rate increase today. But some of the questions that we still get is, should I refinance? Short answer, no, probably. Should I fix my rate now that interest rates are going up? Well, potentially. That fixed rate is already preset by your lender, and some lenders have preset their interest rates already to be quite a bit higher than what the current variable rate is, because they may believe that interest rates may go up again. NAB have said that they feel that there's probably another rate rise coming in May, so it could be a good idea to fix your rate, but there are some downsides in fixing. So if you've currently using an offset facility, you generally lose that offset. You are limited as to how much extra you can repay when you're on a fixed rate loan, and you may be penalised if you decide to pay out your loan early while you're on that fixed rate. So if any of this is something that you want to discuss with us, then please click the link below, book in a time, and we can have a chat around whether refinancing is a reasonable or a viable option for you, or whether you want to look to fix. So from myself and also Lauren at Ascension Finance, thanks guys. Feel free to get in touch if you've got any questions.